Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make this shape and this contrast of colors. I didn't feel the video was warranted on just the shape. If we take the polygon tool and set on four-sided and draw a polygon, I'm going to go ahead and hit P, put it in center page, which really doesn't matter. I'm going to grab the shape tool. I'm going to grab all the nodes. And I'm going to go right here to convert to a curve. And then I'm going to grab that center one. And look what I get. Now, if I hold down the control button, it'll be more perfect. Now, I'm going to take that same line and I'm going to make it a little thicker line. I'm going to go ahead and go to, now that's the shape. And then to make it that color, you have to convert it to an object. We're going to go ahead and make yellow. Doesn't really matter. We're going to get the interactive fill tool and we're going to swipe across and we're going to go fountain fill from the center and move this right about the center. But then we're going to click on the color and go right here to a preset and look at that. And you can change that. You can change the colors. Let me zoom in here a little bit, get back to the interactive fill tool, and you could move colors around. You could add colors. Let's add a blue like right there and see how it changed it. And then it really shows off and when you bring in a black box around it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.